Today in history. 13 July 1956, enthusiastic and sunny, Hanover, New Hampshire, United States. Dear Diary, today is such an exciting day. I can't believe I got to be part of something so important and cool. We went to the Dartmouth Workshop on artificial intelligence. It's like making really smart machines, just like humans. So, you know how computers are getting more powerful? Well, some super smart scientists thought about making machines that can think and learn like us. That's why they came up with this idea for artificial intelligence. It's like giving computers brains. The Dartmouth Workshop is like a big meeting where all these brainy scientists gather together to talk about AI. They want to figure out how to make machines that can solve problems, understand language, and even think like humans. They're trying to make our world even more amazing. There are famous people here too. I saw John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and lots of other smart scientists. They're the ones who started all this AI stuff. It's like meeting superheroes, but for real. During the workshop, they talked about all these cool things. They want to make computers that can talk, learn, and help us think better. I listened to them talking about problem solving and language understanding. It was like they were opening the doors to a whole new world. My friend Mindy, whose mom is a scientist, she says that AI could change everything. We might have robots helping us with chores, super smart virtual assistants, and even self-driving cars. It's like having a sci-fi movie come to life. I think this workshop will be so important in the future. AI is going to change the world in ways we can't even imagine yet. It's like a spark that will light up our future. I can't wait to see what amazing things it will bring. The workshop is ending now, and I feel so lucky to have been here today. It's like being part of history. I'll always remember this day and how it made me dream big. Who knows, maybe one day, I'll be one of those scientists making AI even cooler.